Hi guys, na-post muna, yeah. And hi guys, I didn't post the video yet, like, so yummy. We're gonna get more. Hindi ko pinost. Hindi ko pa pinost. So, I'm gonna make tomorrow. I'm gonna post it tomorrow.
You want some more?
Yep.
No, Eve, wait. You shouldn't go alone.
I don't have a choice.
And that's all.
Save my son.
Thank you. Thank you. So we're gonna money, change it. Money, grand. Ibang panoodin? Diba? Tapos na yan. Pa! Tapos na.
Tulog na kayo, Marod.
It's literally 8:03. 8:03 pa lang.
Ha?
8:03 pa lang. Lagyan mo pa ng
8:30 win, magtulog na, mag-ano na kayo.
Na.
You don't put too much.
Ilagay mo lang dito yung
But
mga
it's
iba.
so nice.
But I want some more. Huwag mo ilagay. Sali. Hindi lang. Ganito lang. Maroon, I want to put some more sa akin muna. Tita, ano papanoodin? So, we're gonna, tita. What should we watch, tita? Baby Shark. Down? 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 Wait, can we do Stranger Things? Or like, young something. Young
Young
Sheldon.
Sheldon.
Oo, Young Sheldon. Nandito ba pinapanood yun? Oo. Sa ano ba yan? Sa Disneyland? Disney Plus. Hindi, Hindi
Young
dyan.
Sheldon.
Hindi dyan.
Pwede saan?
Ano, Nike. Ay,
Netflix?
Netflix pala.
Netflix po. Okay. Ate, maganda rin panood yung kani. Young Sheldon. Ayun yung ano, tita. Episode 1 pa lang.
So, namatay daw yung papa niya. Pero panoorin na natin. So, we're gonna make part 3. So,